Yo dudes, welcome to the monkey farts of a bird. I'm your host, McDonald, and I'm here to talk to you about a monkey's farts of a bird. Here's the monkey, but I don't have a bird, so I'm going to show you it with an example, but it will be a dog. Okay, so you see, the monkey's fart of a bird goes like this. Somewhere in the rainforest, a monkey traps on a log. You see, like this. He bends over and takes a huge dump on a log. Now, doing this, he also eats it. When he eats it, instantly, a bird somewhere farts. Yeah, you know, like that. Yeah. Okay, so next I gotta tell you. See, after that, the monkey dies and goes to hell. Okay, after the monkey goes to hell, Satan eats him. You wonder how I know all this? Aliens told me. And when the aliens told me, it pissed me off. It pissed me off right to hell. It pissed me off. And I don't know why, but it did. And I'm gonna go call my mother right now. Mama! They did it! They killed the monkey! And I made the video! Sorry. Okay, next I have to tell you. See, the moral of this whole video is wear your helmet when you're biking, or else you'll be a freaking retard when you grow older. Good night and goodbye. This is the first episode of Monkey Farts and a Bird Retracted, even though that's not what it's called.